Laura again at Dr. Gianino's. I'm the lead hygienist here. I get a lot of questions from new parents or parents that obviously have kids that are older, but they always ask, when should they come in for their first visit? By their first birthday is when they should be coming in. It really gets them used to coming in, but also seeing those familiar faces by the time they're 2. They can be a little more challenging just because they get that experience at the doctor's. They assume they're at the doctor's when they're not. So by their first birthday is when they should be coming in. I also get a lot of questions, when should they start using fluoride? And I always say by the age of 12 months, you can go right ahead and use it. Just use a small smear of toothpaste. A very small amount is totally okay. Obviously, don't blob it on. By the age of 3 should be a pea-size amount. When they're starting to spit out for you as well is when they should start to increase that fluoride toothpaste. But just a small amount is totally fine. It's going to help prevent cavities as they get older. Using milk and all that causes cavities. So using a small smear. I also get a lot of questions as far as pacifiers. When should they stop using it? Really, by the age of 18 months is when they should start getting weaning off. By 2 years, they should be done. It also is said that it helps develop their arch in their mouth. So by 2, off. Start weaning them off at 18 months is best. For the normal brushing and flossing, obviously right before bed, you're going in, brushing their teeth. Because obviously when they're sleeping, I don't want that milk or whatever they ate during the day to sit on their teeth. So 2 to 3 times a day you should be brushing their teeth. Once you get to the point where they want to do it, have them brush by themselves and then go right ahead and say, okay, mommy, daddy, let's try this out. Go ahead and brush one last time for them, because obviously kids, they can miss some areas. And then as far as flossing, whenever they're allowed to let you do so, go right ahead, because that's where cavities start. It's right in between the teeth is the #1 spot, also the front teeth. So really making sure that you're doing great home care habits when they're young, so that when they're older, they already have that trained in their brain.